everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Canva account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a new account for Canva, first open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.canva.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Canva, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign up button in order to start your registration. In the pop-up that appears, go ahead and select either Google, Facebook, or you can also continue registering with your email address. Let me click on continue with email, and now enter an email address you'd like to associate with canva.com in the text box. Once you type in a valid email address, click on the continue button. Now on the next page, enter your name in the text box at the top. On the next field where it says password, create a new password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password and make sure that you'll remember the password while logging in next time. Once you create a password, you can double check by clicking this little eye icon. And finally, after you are done, click Create Account. You can save your password for later use in this particular device by clicking Save at the top right, but if you are doing this on a public computer, make sure that you choose Never. Now, you'll need to enter a verification code sent to the email address that you just typed in. So open up your email on a new tab. In my case, since I've chosen my Gmail, let me go and open up my gmail.com account. Soon after you open up your email inbox, you should receive an email from Canva. Click it open, copy the code that you received, and go back to your Canva registration page. Enter the code or paste it in, and you'll be able to sign up for a new account on Canva. Go ahead and select what you will be using Canva for by selecting one of the options over here, and that way you should be able to create a new account or sign up for canva.com. Canva is a powerful designing tool that helps you to create projects and also help teach students the basics of digital designs. That is how you can easily sign up for canva.com. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.